Educational collaboration bridges a lot of gaps between industry stakeholders.
Whether that's code, standards, design best practices, we want everybody to have the same knowledge and basis so that collaborations between stakeholders throughout a project are smooth.
What it does is it puts everybody on the same page of understanding.
I'm Lori Lull. I'm a program strategy manager with Energy Trust of Oregon. We support energy efficiency and renewable energy. Education is really important in this moment because the field is really growing and evolving. Energy Trust has collaborated with Mayfield over the years to offer technical training. For this training in particular, our audience was our trade allied contractors, but we also have other people in the room, whether it's community organizations or regulators, that are all here to get on the same page around the technical aspects of microgrids and battery storage.
I really like being able to offer customized education for groups of folks because it really gives you a chance to dial into what they're finding challenging and what they're looking to learn most.
The more that we can help others to see what we've seen, the more we can all be better, and as an industry, all grow and benefit from that.
The online training is great, a lot of resources there, but to go to a live training is very helpful because it creates a conversation and you can really apply what you learn to projects you have.
I always know that if I have some question that Ryan or one of the other teachers can't answer, they'll get back to me later with an answer.
Accessible expertise is part of our core values. And so we want to really be intentional and thoughtful so that we can continue to help the industry move forward efficiently and really level up the quality of projects that get built.